Vincent Lionel who did son all that. Vincent Lionel never exits on a factor need. On a factor, the government also factor needs like.
Como ele é o bar, foi com a linha. Priwada ya, na condição de tudo lá com ça. Na condição de lá com ça.
Hi. It's still frozen? Barely. It's just cold. How do you do that? No, she wants to go to you now. Just walk down all the way down there while holding your hand.
Okay, Chad. You see? Welcome to Cacao Beach. You look like this is desert. Yeah. Here we are.
A nice little path, actually.
Yeah.
You see
Like
all
a
this
thing.
greenery and environment. You know, honestly, I would have probably gotten mad that there's sand in my shoes. Since we're at the beach, there's an exception.
Yeah.
You're supposed to have sand in your shoes and on your feet.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Do you guys see that?
Public restroom. Okay. This is public restroom this way. Hello, Maggie. Where are you now, Maggie? What beach are you in? Cocoa Beach.
Oh my
How
gosh.
do you like Cocoa Beach?
I didn't even go in the water.
Why not?
That bitch just got
Hey, pretty girl.
Where's it at? Where's the bathroom at? Boom.
Huh?
what?
You funny.
Yep.
I'm a famous YouTuber.
You are a famous YouTuber. You are a famous YouTuber. Uh-huh. Can I get your autograph? Can I get your autograph? Who else wants your autograph? Can I get your autograph, please? Oh, no, don't take her that deep. The waves get high. The waves. The waves on her head. The waves on her feet.
You wanna go back?
Okay, Jayla.
Wala na kang bilang gusto. Kami lang natin swim. Kami lang natin swim.
Mama, what's up? What have you?
You can close, man.
that wave is too big. You're scared to cat, right?
You're scared, got you.
Oh, scared cat. Oh, look at Jayla. I didn't like how the waves got so high.
Look at me and get everything to different time.
Mama, watch out! Get up! Get up! Get up! It was still gonna hit you. Nothing. Alright, then sit down, Mama. Look at that wave. You're not scared of those waves? You're not scared of those waves? You see how big they get? You see how big all those waves get? And you're not scared of them? Look behind you! Wait, now look behind you again!
I'm gonna go over.
Look at these two trying to bury themselves in the sand.
There, Maggie.
Hers is fully,
They're literally
hers
stuck
is
in
feet
there.
fully covered.
Should I pull them out now?
Yep.
Wait, sit on it so you can make a cheek thing.
I'm gonna fall backwards. So I could probably bend backwards.
God, just kicking off. Maggie! Come on, let's all go to the ocean. Come on. Maggie, come on.
Come on, Maggie.
Oh, guys, come on, let's go. Well, come on, let's go to the ocean. All right, come on, let's go. Huh? And our feet are completely clean. 3, 2, 1, clean feet. Talk about stone in the water real quick. Huh? Dunk in the water. Why? I'm not gonna
Stop,
do
I
that.
won't. I'll just clean the thing. Take your phone out there.
Are you recording?
Come on.
Look at those two just going into the water.